Today, we're tackling a common question among those looking to join the gig economy. How long does it take to get approved for DoorDash? It seems like a simple query at first glance, but the answer involves several layers worth exploring. Let's start with the basics of the DoorDash application process. To become a Dasher, you need to complete an application, undergo a background check, and meet the company's requirements, such as having a valid driver's license and insurance for those opting to deliver by car. The pivotal part of this process is the background check, which typically takes between 5 to 7 business days. However, it's essential to note that this time frame can vary significantly. Factors such as the volume of applications DoorDash is processing at any given time, and any inconsistencies or issues with your application or background check information can extend this period. Occasionally, applicants might find themselves waiting for 2 weeks or more before they receive approval. This delay is often due to backlogs at the third-party company DoorDash uses for conducting background checks or discrepancies that need to be resolved in the applicant's documentation or history. It's also vital to understand that the approval time can depend on your location. Some markets may see quicker processing times due to a higher demand for Dashers, prompting DoorDash to expedite the background checks to fill the need. In summary, while the standard expectation for DoorDash approval is around 1 week, applicants should prepare for the possibility that it might take longer. Patience is key during this period. DoorDash typically communicates through email, so keep an eye on your inbox for updates about your application status. Thank you for watching. Whether you're looking to join DoorDash to earn extra income or as a primary job, understanding the intricacies of the application process and the factors affecting approval time can help set realistic expectations and better prepare you for the journey ahead. Best of luck on your application, and happy dashing!